Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed IEEE 754 standards for single precision and double precision. That is how many number of bits that are used to represent the number. How many bits are for exponent and mantissa. How do we calculate the biased exponent? We discussed all this with one example. Now in this session, we are moving with one more example. This is my number. Here also implement both single precision and double precision. First step, what is the first step? Convert the number into binary representation. So 1259. So 1. So total 10 digits. 2 power 0 to 2 power 10. That is 1024 number I am getting. 100 111 100 111 000 double 1. So series 1. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8, 2 power 9, 2 power 10. So 1024 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32. So clear. This is my binary representation for 1259 dot. What is the binary value of 125001? I think you already know how to convert. This is not our aim. The conversion is not our aim. You know how do you convert. Now, what is the next step? Do normalization. The normalization step is 1.001110001 into 2 power. How many positions the dot moves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 power 10. Clear? This is my normalized step. Suppose if you want to use a single precision, what is the biased exponent? If you are using a single precision, the biased exponent is equal to my original exponent plus my original exponent 10 plus 127. If it is a single precision, 127. So total answer is 137. Clear? Now represent by using single precision format. So 1 bit is reserved for sign 0, and in the single precision 8 bits are used to represent biased exponent, that is 137. What is the biased representation? 128 and 128 1001. So 128 plus 8. Yes. So 128 plus 8. 136 plus 1. 137. So this is the biased exponent followed by what is the mantissa? This is the mantissa. How many bits total? 23 bits. 0, 0, 111, 000, 11, 0, 0. How many bits? 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and remaining bits are placed as 0, 0, 0. Remaining 0, 0. After decimal point, if you are placing any number of zeros, that is not a problem. This is a single precision representation. Suppose if you want to use double precision representation, first the normalization step is same. Now only thing is the bias is changed. Original bias 10 plus 1023, that is 1033. Simple thing. So total double precision in the sense 64 bits. In the 64 bits, 1 bit is for sign. 52 bits are used for mantissa. Here also same 0, 0, 111 followed by remaining zeros. In the exponent, we are representing binary value of 1033. Got it? First two. This is the representation sign 1033 binary value, followed by in the 11 bits followed by 53 bits of this mantissa. Clear? This is single precision and double precision. The main important thing is understanding of the bias. If you add the bias, it is very easy to represent the numbers. Thank you.